So, but today we are going to be looking at a completely free way to host it, and we'll be using Render. All right, so all you have to do is go to www.render.com and you'll be greeted with an interface like this. All you have to do is sign in. I've already signed in, and I'm just going to click dashboard right here. So you'll be greeted with an interface quite similar to this, but if not exactly the same, depending on the time you are seeing this video, you can always find a add new button. So you select that and you select web service. So it's going to take you to a page like this, and you click on existing image. You want to paste this in. I've already put this in the description, but you paste this in and you click connect. All right, so there's not much to do here, but the most important thing is you want to select this free plan right here. You can choose to change your religion, but you could just leave it as it is. All right, so now one thing I want you to notice, which is like a downside to hosting for free, is you can check here. It says free instances spins down after period of inactivity. They do not support SSH access and all that and all that. So basically, one of the things that Render is trying to tell us is, if your server is not active for about 15 minutes, I think, it's going to spin down, and when it spins down, it's going to delete every data you have on it. So when you want to check in again, you would have to create those things anew, and we do not want that. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to solve this issue by the end of the video. All right, so let's continue. You're going to scroll down, and we don't have any environment variable to add, so we're just going to deploy web service. So it's going to do some installation, and once this in progress changes to live, we are good to go. And this is our link right here. So I'm going to pause the video right now and come back when it changes to live. So our n8n is done installing, and as you can see here, it showed live. All right, so you want to copy this link and paste in your browser, and you would be greeted with this interface. So you can go ahead and log in. All right, and enter your password. All right, so click on next and just wait for it to load. All right, so one of the major issues we have with this, you can see the one here, is your free instance will spin down with inactivity, which can delay requests by 50 seconds or more. All right, so if it's not active, it's going to spin down, but we'll have a way to solve that, like I said. All right, so in your n8n, you have this interface. You can just skip this and just click on get started. All right, so it says to get the pay features, the workflow issue and all that. You just have to enter your mail, and they will send you a free license key. You can just copy that and paste. So all you have to do is go to your settings, then and click on enter activation key and paste. Then you can go ahead and activate it. Sorry to have a space here. All right, yeah, near it. So activate, and yes, we are good to go. All right, so that's done, and we can start creating workflows as we want. But yeah, the last thing we need to do is solve the spinning down issue. So yeah, all you have to do is go to cronjob.org. The Cron, I'll put a link to it in the description. When you sign in, you'll be set an activation link, and you activate it. Then click on create cron job here. So we can just name this n8n workflow, I guess. All right, and for this link, you are going to paste your n8n link. All right, so you want to paste this. All right, so you are going to schedule it to every 5 minutes, and let's do a test run to see if everything works fine. So if you get a response 200, that means everything is good to go. So as you can see, we have a 200 here, so we're fine. So we can go ahead and create it, and that would be all. So our n8n works fine. Our cron job is set up. So this way, you are able to host your n8n completely for free. If you guys have any other questions, let me know in the comment and I'll be sure to answer to all of them. See you guys in the next video.